Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0456 refers to a very small leak detected in the Evaporative Emission (EVAP) system of the Honda Accord manufactured between 2012 and 2017. The EVAP system plays a critical role in preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. It utilizes an engine-off natural vacuum (EONV) method to check for leaks by detecting changes in fuel tank pressure through the fuel tank pressure FTP sensor when the engine is off. The FTP sensor is primarily located on top of the fuel tank, and its function is vital as it monitors the pressure changes essential for leak detection. The EVAP system components include the EVAP canister purge valve, and vent shut valve, which collectively help manage fuel vapor emissions efficiently. Diagnosing this issue requires understanding the roles these components play in the overall system and how the DTC is triggered. When a leak is detected, it can compromise the vehicle's ability to maintain fuel vapor pressure, leading to increased emissions and potential issues with the vehicle's performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0456 and its implications is crucial for Honda Accord owners and technicians alike. The diagnosis not only requires identifying the cause of a very small leak in the EVAP system, but also necessitates precise troubleshooting steps to ensure the system's integrity. Maintaining the EVAP system's functionality is paramount, as it plays a significant role in emissions control and overall vehicle performance. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance can prevent potential diagnostic trouble codes from emerging, giving vehicle owners confidence in their car's reliability. Ultimately, keeping the EVAP system in check not only benefits the environment through compliance with emissions regulations, but also helps ensure that your Honda Accord operates efficiently, thus preserving its longevity. The error code P0456 indicates a leak has been detected in the EVAP system of the Honda Accord, specifically detecting very small leaks of 0.02 inches. The EVAP system is essential for reducing harmful emissions and maintaining fuel efficiency by ensuring that fuel vapors do not exit into the atmosphere. The fuel tank pressure (FTP) sensor is located on the top of the fuel tank and plays a crucial role in monitoring pressure variations within the tank when the engine is off. The method employed, known as engine off natural vacuum (EONV), allows the powertrain control module (PCN) to evaluate if there are issues that may cause the tank pressure to drop unexpectedly, indicating potential leaks. The fibrosis of this system not only helps in controlling pollution, but also ensures the efficient functioning of the engine by maintaining vapor pressure. If a leak is detected, it can lead to issues such as poor fuel economy or failure to pass emissions testing. Identifying the possible causes of DTC P0456 is key to successful troubleshooting. One primary cause may involve the EVAP canister purge valve, which can fail and allow vapors to escape. The FTP sensor may also malfunction, failing to accurately report pressure changes, which can mislead the diagnostic system. Additionally, wear and tear can lead to damaged or cracked EVAP lines, contributing to leaks within the system. A loose fuel cap is another common culprit. If it's not sealed correctly, it can trigger a leak detection fault. Environmental factors, such as temperature variations and humidity, may also affect the detection process. Understanding these possible causes can lead to effective troubleshooting and ensuring the integrity of the EVAP system. When DTC P0456 is present, there are several symptoms that may manifest. The most common indication is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL. This is a warning from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system that something is amiss. Drivers may also notice a decline in fuel economy, as the efficiency of the engine can be compromised due to the EVAP system failing to regulate fuel vapors effectively. In some situations, the vehicle may fail an emissions test due to the unauthorized release of fuel vapors, which directly contravenes environmental regulations. Additionally, a noticeable fuel odor might be present, stemming from evaporative emissions escaping into the atmosphere. Finally, overall engine performance issues, such as rough idling or stalling, can result from the interplay of incorrect fuel vapor pressure and air-fuel mixture inaccuracies. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0456 involves ensuring that the engine is turned off. The vehicle must also be allowed to reach a stable temperature. Specifically, the engine coolant temperature and intake air temperature should be within defined ranges. After ensuring these conditions are met, the vehicle should be left stationary for at least 37 minutes to allow time for the EONV test to execute. During this period, the PCM will monitor any changes in fuel tank pressure, as accurate pressure readings are crucial for detecting leaks. It's important to avoid any external factors that could alter either the temperature or pressure within the EVAP system during this waiting period. By following this procedure, you will prepare the vehicle for subsequent tests, ensuring accurate diagnostics and identification of any leaks present in the system. In troubleshooting Step 2 for DTC P0456, after the waiting period, the engine must be started. Once the engine is running, it is essential to drive the vehicle at a steady speed between 25 to 75 miles per hour for approximately 19 minutes. This driving condition allows the PCM to collect data while the vehicle is in motion, simulating real-world operation. After the driving period is complete, the vehicle should be brought to a stop. Subsequently, press the engine start-stop button to switch to off mode. This step is critical, as it sets the stage for the EONV test to check for leaks without distractions from engine operation, which could provide erroneous readings. Ensure that the driving environment adheres to traffic regulations and is conducive for this process, avoiding sudden accelerations or decelerations that could skew results. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting the EVAP test through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After the necessary driving and waiting periods are complete, you will navigate through the HDS to select the EVAP test in the inspection menu. Once selected, initiate the function test, allowing the HDS to evaluate the fuel system pressure and monitor for any indication of leaks. This function performs detailed inspections by simulating conditions within the EVAP system, while the PCM continues to analyze the data from the FTP sensor. Review the results closely, looking for recorded data indicating whether a leak was detected or if the integrity of the system remains intact. Accurate interpretation of these results is essential for understanding whether repairs are necessary or if the system is functioning correctly. Upon completing repairs for DTC P0456, it's vital to conduct a final verification. Begin by confirming that no leaks are present in the EVAP system, ensuring that previously identified issues have been adequately resolved. A test drive should be performed, allowing the vehicle to reach operating temperature and confirming that the system operates correctly under various conditions. After the drive, check if the check engine light, CEL, has turned off, which indicates that the DTC has been resolved. Additionally, it is essential to review the diagnostic codes once more. If no issues reappear, you can proceed to clear any stored codes from the PCM. Ensuring that the system operates flawlessly post-repair solidifies confidence that the EVAP system is functioning correctly. thus maintaining optimal vehicle performance and compliance with emission standards. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the EVAP system in the Honda Accord. Regular inspections of the EVAP components, including the canister, purge valve, and vent shut valve, can catch potential issues before they escalate into more significant problems. A simple check of the fuel cap for tightness can significantly reduce the likelihood of triggering DTC P0456. A loose or damaged fuel cap is one of the most common causes of EVAP system faults. It's also essential to monitor the performance of the fuel level sensor regularly, as any malfunction can affect the entire EVAP system. Scheduling diagnostic checks at regular intervals can help identify leaks or malfunctions before they affect vehicle performance or emissions compliance. Addressing any detected leaks or issues immediately can provide peace of mind and maintain your vehicle's efficacy in emission regulation. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.